5 Best USB Cable. Here is the product number 5. SAMZHE USB 3.0 Extension Cable. Brand name, SAMZHE. Use, computer, camera, MP3, MP4 player compatible with LG, Nokia, iPhones, HTC, etc. Transmission speed, 5 gigabits per second. Cord material, OFC oxygen-free copper. Feature, eco-friendly, durable, long service lifetime. Here is the product number 4. Ugreen USB to USB extension cable. USB 3.0 male-to-male cable connects a USB peripheral with USB 3.0 Type A port to a computer for speedy file transfer. It acts as an extension for your USB 3.0 connection. Up to 5 Gbps super speed for USB 3.0 data transfer, 10x faster than USB 2.0. Here is the product number 3. Type A Data USB 2.0 extension cable. Support Windows 2000/2003/XP/Vista/Win7 SP1 and Linux Apple iOS. Support USB 3.0, 5 Gbps, compatible with USB 2.0, 480 Mbps, and USB 1.1, 12 Mbps. Full duplex data transmission. Here is the product number 2. Vention USB 3.0 extension cable. Brand name, Vention. USB type, standard. Use, set-top boxes, smart devices, IP camera, robot, camera, mobile storage, MP3, MP4 player, computer, electronic dictionary, VR, R glasses. Connector A, B, USB 2.0 3.0 male, female. Here is the product number 1. New USB 2.0 male to female USB cable. USB active extender. USB extension cable extends the USB 2.0 connection between a computer or tablet to USB peripherals like a hub, mouse, keyboard, camera, or flash drive. This USB extender cord supports high-speed USB 2.0 data transfer rate up to 480 Mbps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.